The AI revolution is here, and it's changing everything. From the way we work to the way we live, artificial intelligence is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It's not just a futuristic concept anymore, it's our present reality. The advancements in AI technology are happening at an unprecedented pace, and they are reshaping industries across the globe. Imagine walking into a factory where robots are assembling products with precision and speed, or a hospital where AI systems assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately. These scenarios are no longer science fiction, they are happening right now. 80% of jobs as we know them will be transformed or replaced. This statistic might sound alarming, but it's also a call to action. We are on the brink of a massive shift in the job market, and it's crucial to understand what this means for us. But this isn't the end, it's a new beginning. The rise of AI opens up a world of possibilities. New job roles are emerging, ones that we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. The key is to stay informed and be adaptable. The question isn't if AI will change your career, it's how you'll adapt to thrive in this new world. Will you embrace the change and learn new skills, or will you resist and risk being left behind? The future workforce will need to be more tech-savvy, creative, and flexible. Continuous learning and upskilling will be essential to stay relevant. Will you be left behind, or will you seize the opportunities of tomorrow? The choice is yours. The AI revolution is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about how we can harness this technology to improve our lives and create a better future. Look around you. People are already engaging with AI in various forms, from virtual assistants to smart home devices. The integration of AI into our daily routines is seamless and often goes unnoticed. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. By embracing AI and learning how to work alongside it, we can unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. The potential is limitless. Are you ready to evolve? The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. The AI revolution is an opportunity for growth and transformation. Visit nvidioi.com to discover how you can adapt and thrive in an AI-driven world. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate this new landscape. The future is now, and it's time to take action. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care. AI algorithms can analyze medical data to predict patient outcomes, assist in surgeries, and even discover new drugs. This not only improves efficiency but also saves lives. In finance, AI is transforming how we manage money. From automated trading systems to personalized financial advice, AI is making financial services more accessible and efficient. Education is also seeing a shift. AI-powered tools are providing personalized learning experiences, helping students learn at their own pace and in their own style. This could democratize education and make it more inclusive. The transportation industry is being redefined by AI. Self-driving cars and smart traffic management systems promise to reduce accidents and improve traffic flow, making our roads safer and more efficient. Retail is another sector experiencing a transformation. AI is enhancing customer experiences through personalized recommendations, automated checkouts, and efficient inventory management. Even creative industries are not left behind. AI is being used to generate music, art, and even write stories. This collaboration between human creativity and AI can lead to unprecedented levels of innovation. So how can you prepare for this AI-driven future? Start by learning new skills. Online courses, workshops, and certifications in AI and related fields can give you a competitive edge. Networking is also crucial. Join AI communities, attend conferences, and connect with professionals in the field. This will keep you updated on the latest trends and opportunities. Embrace lifelong learning. The pace of technological change means that staying relevant requires continuous education. Be curious, be proactive, and be ready to adapt. The AI revolution is not just about surviving, it's about thriving. By understanding the impact of AI on various industries and preparing yourself with the right skills, you can turn this challenge into an opportunity. The future is bright for those who are ready to embrace it.